Hey there my safety friend. Do you know Lockout Tagout? And do you at times share the feeling that it seems hopeless to implement it completely? Many companies are pretty fast by handing out padlocks and devices. Later on they wonder themselves why no one really does use the material in a proper way. The really right way to come to Lockout Tagout is never made by handing products. It's more about a real clever organization system that digs into nearly all matters of safety. Now you may ask, where do I get those informations regarding to Lockout Tagout? Are the manufacturers holding certain expert knowledge? Or does the web provides needed content? Well, that's a tricky part of Lockout Tagout. Of course, some of the manufacturers contain expert knowledge, but rarely for free. And sure, the web search can bring useful updates, but that consumes a whole lot of time. And especially in the beginning of building a Lockout Tagout system, it's not so clear what has to be done first and last. This problem was also recognized by René Noël. For 20 years he is in the safety field and also for nearly 15 years a global expert for Lockout Tagout. Many companies do not have enough resources to build a system on their own, or they are unable to invest into certain consulting. And 1.5 years ago, René decided to write a book exactly for those companies. It became one-of-a-kind workbook that brings the very first 6 steps, which are needed if you want to be successful in the first period of implementation. Today this book is now a bestseller in safety, and the content is still up to date. So, if you are on your way to start Lockout Tagout in your company, this book is simply a must-have. And if you are stuck somehow, it goes the same. And here is my advice to you. Just order today. Your version is available at 6diamanten.de. Stay safe and see you soon.